What's up, everybody? I'm back on YouTube, and this time it's for real. It's been almost a year since I've actually posted here on YouTube, and that's honestly wild to me. I figured it was finally time to go beyond those pictures and those quick snippets over on my TikTok and talk to you guys directly here on YouTube. So what's the story, you might ask? Pretty much everything you see on my social media channels and my blogs, with everything of course connecting back to lifestyle and fashion, but a few extras added in there. There'll be more fun things to come, like closet tours, mini vlogs, and even Q&A sessions where you can ask me pretty much anything. There's a lot that I'm stoked about, and this is just the kickoff video, and I'll have something for you guys every week or every other week. So I hope to see you guys here in the weeks to come, and of course, don't forget to subscribe so you don't miss out. And that's it. Hope to see you guys here soon.